Nothing's worse than dirty glasses. Today we're testing Bausch Lomb versus Zeiss. We'll see which one works better. Stay tuned. We're gonna have fun. We have two pairs of glasses. Which ones do you want to start with? One thing that I like already, the Bausch Lombs are all packaged individually, which is kind of nice. It has its advantages. And Zeiss is packaged with two in a pack, so you just have to be a little careful when you open them up so that you don't rip into a package. My recommendation on that is just like opening up any other two-pack. Make sure to do it right when you want to use one of them, because rarely do you destroy two of them at the same time. Zeiss. I'm going to open it up. It's easy to open, easy access. Feels nice. Very wet, which is good. We get our stunt glasses here and we clean them. This does a good job, and this is actually a lot grittier than normal dirt that you're going to get in glasses, because I actually went out and sprayed dirt onto these things. Time for the Bausch Lomb. We're going to actually save these for later so you can see the difference. You can see the difference on this one, and we'll do the Bausch Lomb first on this pair. Bausch Lomb has a little rip part. Not quite as wet, but it's adequate. And we're really wasting these, but I want to get a good test of them. And I want you to see the test. There we are. These glasses are nice and clean to wear. Bausch Lomb picked up a lot of dirt, and so did Zeiss. These glasses were very dirty. The Bausch Lomb has a coarser feel, whereas the Zeiss is a lot softer. Just based on that, I would pick the Zeiss, but they both do a good job and it's clean. Let's try it on the tinted version. Well, actually, these are photochromatic, I meant to say. They get dark when you're out in the sun. Another Bausch Lomb, oops, teared. Never had that happen. It's probably because I'm on camera. I would not say that the Bausch Lomb is less. Oh, maybe they are. I just went through it on the other side too. Always keep your hands off of the glasses, the actual lens while you're cleaning. You don't want to get your fingerprints all over it. Nice clean lens. Bausch Lomb did a pretty good job on that one. Zeiss. Zeiss just has this dotted line. They don't actually have a notch where they start. Wouldn't be bad to have that. Nice wet cloth. And we're doing this side. Oh, I had the same problem. Maybe it's my glasses. My glasses went through on this one too. And also the way I'm doing it on camera, because I don't want to waste your time. There we have it. We have Zeiss versus Bausch Lomb. They both pulled off plenty of dirt. I like them both. Zeiss costs just a smidge more. I get the Bausch Lomb from Costco, and I get the Zeiss from an online distributor. It's a very non-scientific study. Both Zeiss, Bausch Lomb, they're great lens wipes. I prefer the Zeiss slightly over the Bausch Lomb, but I would grab either one to clean my glasses with anytime. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Love you all. Bye-bye.